Well, we're off to go get the bees. My bee suit's all ready to go and dry. So come along with me to go get these bees. I've been waiting on them. When it dries up a little bit, I'll be putting them in.
Here we go. Let's go get those bees. There's my neighbor. Lost all her bees. Here's my bees. Relocated them closer. So here we go.
Coming off of our mountain. Look at the greenery starting to happen. It's fantastic.
Spring is arriving. Not quite 100%. It's in the 50s this morning, but not too bad. There's the Pine View Reservoir, the north end. It's facing north. Oh, look at the turkeys.
Well, they said to knock on the door and they'll come. Hi. Hi. I'm the bee guy. Huh? I'm Jim Ray with the bees.
Oh, you have the bees.
I have the bees. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Did you call me this morning or somebody else?
That was Melanie.
Well, thank you for calling.
Yeah.
Look at those. Yeah, that's not too bad. Do I need to sign anything?
Nope. Don't need a signature.
I'm-
Those are some photographs for you too, it looks like.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem.
Look at those bees. Yeah. Well, it stopped raining. But hopefully it says live bees. That'll work. Well, I'm pretty excited. My first batch of bees have arrived. I've got more bees that are on their way. I thought they'd be here with these as well, but not yet. It will be a bee kind of day. They're strutting. Look at them. These are some toms. Look at him. He's all tomming. Get all the females over there. Look at them raising their feathers like they're somebody. Come over to my house. Dinner. Just these.
Okay, we're headed home. Flooding is still taking place. There's a bed and breakfast if anybody wants to be interested. So we're headed up to the right cabin. Close to 7,000 feet. I'm sure the bees are going to be happy. I got pollen patty and sugar bricks wait for them. Look at those. Greenery cabin. Folks, it's been over 6 months. We have had nothing but brutal weather. And this is an exciting time. That guy's whole carport caved in. Totally. Great cabin. But here we go.
Welcome to the Ray cabin. Look at the foliage. Ooh, I love it. Okay. Well, here we go. Installing the bees. Stop raining.
They're anxious to get in. Here we go. Here's
The queen and her attendants. It's marked red. only a few of the bees have followed me. In the past, they've chased me. Let's go take a look. The beehive is in operation. We're checking it all out. There's their excluder door. Some extra sugar brick. Of course, I'll release the queen once they get used to her a little bit more. But it's installed. Very pleased. Another success story. Home sweet home.